Dear brothers and sisters, when we talk about the meaning of the church, its Greek word ecclesia speaks about one mission of us, and that is to call out. Ang tumatawag na bayan o sabi nga natin ay yung bayang tinawag. We were called by the Lord. We were asked to be part of a family. But then it is not only about calling out and calling out. We have also to take care and to maintain all of us, those called. Ang hindi lamang maging mayaman sa dami ng tao, kundi pagyamanin yung mga yaman o yung mga tinawag. St. Paul faces already the last days of his life. Malapit na siyang mamaalam sa piling ng kanyang mga kasama. And surely as he faces that reality, he wanted his dear ones to take care of each other, to take care of growling enemies that may be present within their circles, to take care of each other with the teachings of the Lord, and also to take care of the message of the Lord, to take care of each other as they also face the reality of their lives. Similarly, we continue to hear the prayer of Jesus. Hindi lamang niya tinawag yung 12 para makasama niya. Ngayong umalis na siya sa kanyang piling, iningatan din niya yung 12. And it was also his prayer to keep them, to protect them, to nourish them, so that they can be one with Him and hopefully go through their mission entrusted to them. It is good that we are growing in numbers. Mabuti na yumayaman, dumadami ang ating mga tao. Pero ang tanong, pinagyayaman din ba natin sila? Are we taking care of them? Are we keeping them safe? Dahil ang bawat tinawag ng Diyos, hindi lang itinatago, pinakakaingatan natin ito. Hindi lang po tayo simbahang tumatawag, kundi simbahang nag-iingat din tayo. A church who cares and a church who values. While we grow in number, sabi nga we have strength in numbers. There may also be a heart that keeps safe and also takes care. Mayaman, kaya pinagyayaman. Every one of us is an apple of the eye to the Lord. Lahat ay mahalaga, lahat ay yaman, kaya laging iingatan at laging pahahalagahan. Grab those eyes and heart as well, my dear friends. Let us see each other as the apple of the eye. Let us value each other. Let us take care of each other.